left.
I gotta say, guys, this is going pretty good so far.
Shut up!
You know, I think I have a bad feeling about this.
Man, Generic, I tell you what. Nothing bad ever happened to the Kennedys.
You know, I think we're just getting started.
Hey, there's an abandoned truck
Vic,
there.
we just passed an abandoned Vic with an M2.
Don't care what they want.
Holy fuck, my game's running like ass.
Everyone
They broke my turret and the engine's dead.
Get off the road, get off the road! Ow.
Oh my god, Void! They're dead!
Are they dead? Who's down? Oh,
I'm not dead!
Alrighty. Alright, hang on, keep still.
Buster, I'm not risking the Vic so that you can get in a fight.
I smell a rocket in our near future.
Situation.
Shots to them right.
Generic, I would not do that for you.
Shots from
Yeah,
the
I
right.
realized halfway through.
Yeah, it's a blood splash on here. Also, they have different launchers. Maintain spacing.
Yeah, I know.
Schizo went uncon.
We found out the hard way.
I'm fine.
Oh, you're not uncon. Okay, cool.
Kill fire, we got friendlies under the bridge. And you also have friendlies coming from the south.
There's a BTR rolling down the road. I don't know what the fuck that is. It looks bad!
Holy crap! Hey, there's an RPG in that class! Go behind the hill, go behind the hill!
Did you hit it?
I hit it!
Is it dead? No!
No, not yet.
No.
I think we have an RPG in the APC.
I'll take care of it.
Enemy disembarked, enemy disembarked.
It's disabled, I think.
Generic, this is your fault!
How is it my fault?
You know what you
We
did!
are responsible for this.
Oh, ACES, guess who?
What?
Valkyrie, welcome.
More troops coming out of the APC.
I just wanted an easy fucking vacation, and this is what I get.
Yeah. Enemy troops.
I'm gonna move up.
Welcome to ACES, shithead. The only easy day was yesterday.
I've already
Shoot!
been here, I'm on vacation.
Never running this loadout again. I'm fixing the best for a carrier special wagon. Keep going at the chest shots.
Oh my fucking god.
User joined your channel. User left your channel. User joined your channel.
Welcome to the rice fields, motherfucker.
Hey, did you bring water?
Moxie, are you still alive, or was that you I heard?
I need an engineer over to the other vehicle because I think they may have shot our. They may have entered our fuel tank.
Can you suppress that guy who's trying to fucking eat my ass? Thank you.
Ow.
Everyone, status report over.
Fine, I guess.
Medic!
Fucked in the ass, but otherwise fine. I think Kiwi's down. I see him laying down. Yeah, Kiwi's down.
I'll pull him back.
Moxie, I just about fucking shot you.
Please help!
Get yours down, but me and Valkyrie are attending.
Okay. Friendly's coming up behind us.
I'm awake! Fucking hell, I got knocked out by a leg shot. Hello, AI buddy. I almost shot you.
Hey, do we have an engineer or some shit with us?
Yeah, me.
This, BTR type thing is completely repairable.
Got it. Hold on.
So heads up, we have friendly infantry descending the main road southwards. Engineer is now awake.
There goes all of them.
Alright, we're BTR.
I got
It's
two
on
men
the main
down,
road.
Kiwi and Zephyr are hit.
I'm on top of it right now.
Doctor is on the way to Kiwi and Zephyr.
I think I forgot to bring it to
Oh, the friendly...
Someone just went down inside the wood factory, or whatever.
No, those by the road are friendly. Yeah, the Horizon Island, yes.
Horizon Island guys found some hostile inside that facility.
Kiwi's stable, but he needs blood.
Yeah.
Hey, can someone check? Does one of the Vics have a toolkit?
Check my truck.
Yeah, I got a tool truck. Toolkit in my truck here.
Please help!
Okay.
Down the hill to your northeast.
Don't touch him. No, Zephyr's fine.
If none of the other vehicles
Give him more
needed
blood,
anyways.
if anything, that's all.
Okay.
But yeah, because the armored Vic that was firing at us is coverable, so we could probably use that.
Medic!
Heart rate of 155.
Yeah, give him more blood and he'll be fine.
Yep.
Please! Medic!
Okay, this is City of Provisional Command. If we don't have any enemies left to deal with, engineer to the forward ammo truck and security to the rear ammo truck.
Engineer coming to fix that BTR.
Alright.
What did he say?
No, saying hi.
Zephyr recovered. He's back
Okay,
to
I'm
command.
up. So, I want everyone to prepare, get your vehicles in cover while we're repairing the APC.
Kiwi, can you go get the medical APC?
Kiwi is not conscious. I am tending to him.
That's no excuse. That's fucking weird. Alright. What does it need? Engine and what?
So engine, turret, and a 15 wheel.
Okay.
I should do a double check on that real quick.
Go ahead.
Okay, everyone had a word with dealer.
Yeah. The turret.
He said that if we're getting engaged this close to our target, we should be very careful because there may be something that happened to the target.
Alright, ready.
So everyone keep your head on a swivel.
And that abandoned Horizon Islands gun truck was kind of a hint, was that?
Oh yeah, they've got 6.5 FAMASs.
Yeah, it's 1.56.
6.5, some of them. Fancy.
Yeah. I hit him.
C2, I'm returning to the second gun truck, bringing it closer to the others.
I may be able to. Hold on. Nope, ran out. Ran out of repair kits. Sorry.
Okay.
We lost our Humvee, so
Just take the new BTR.
is it working?
I got working.
Sweet.
I got a new toy.
Oh, this Humvee looks alright now. Someone fixed it.
Oh yeah, Mock, you still owe me.
Yeah, another.
It starts. That's a plus.
How do I drink a drink?
Interaction
ACES
menus.
of interact, equipment, fruits and drink, but you have to be stale to do it.
Stale.
And then you take Hell Energy drink and you finish it.
Perfect.
Oh, what? That's cool.
It's amphibious, Boyd.
Can't you leave our medical...
What the fuck? Moxie's got a way better seat than I do.
Buy some pre-calamity bunkers.
And as a commander seat, you get an MT upgrade.
I see them marked on the map.
Hi, Shorty. I'm Valkyrie.
Hello, Michael Mania.
What's up? This is supposed to be a nice vacation for me.
Shorty, did you enjoy
I think
last
I'm
night's
traumatized.
drinking extravaganza?
I don't, but I didn't get to finish it. I had other things to do.
That's fair.
But it was fun while I was there.
I'm traumatized.
Very nice.
Looking forward to the little boy on boy action later.
What?
I'm
Kiwi,
sorry.
are you alright?
I'm
That
not
wasn't in the
gonna say
brochure.
anything.
Be right back, my story from my water bottle.
Tourist guide.
I'm gonna go check on Kiwi.
This isn't in the script.
But no, never mind. He's moving, I think.
Man,
Yep.
boy on boy action is so cringe. It's a sin.
Sorry, I
in my
had a bit of
religion.
a
I
seizure.
love this thing, by the way. I'm so glad I...
Boyd, I think you and Walter should get in a PvP duel and we'll see who wins, if the Joshi or the Christian.
But Joshi wins.
No.
While
Yeah,
we are
I'm sorry,
here,
sorry,
does
sorry.
anyone need medical attention?
I'm gonna be real with you, okay? Alright? Whooping ass in melee combat is literally...
I think I
enjoyable.
can get our
There's
old,
nothing I can do about that.
Humvee up.
Yeah, so you were saying. So
Helicopter inbound.
Gate off. Hey, get Stinger out.
I swear to God, I heard it.
I got Estrella. Where is it?
Never mind, I might be crazy.
It's out, it's out. No, you're not crazy. You're a helicopter.
Oh, I'm not crazy. Stinger out.
195. It's gonna up you behind the tree. Pull back, so you can get a shot.
I got it.
Maybe an enemy.
Here we talked.
Are we sure it's a threat? I'm sure it's an enemy.
No idea, but I'm locking it anyway.
Lockage the gate. Have it locked in case it opens fire engage.
Oh my god, there's a bunch of flares that just
Locked.
launched.
Lost lock.
Preparing
Am I firing?
Hold fire,
No
hold.
fire, no fire.
Preparing hold.
Hold, it's turning.
Sure wish we did.
Heading to the shore to get a visual.
Shot behind.
Somebody got contact.
Okay, it's the Horizon Islands, guys. They ID'd it as hostile.
I'll perform the stinger.
Roger.
You're locked.
No visual contact, don't see it.
Alright, see, do it time if you can.
It's below the tree line.
I'm waiting. It's about to pop out.
I think it's gonna be minimum range by this point.
Hey, watch our 360s.
I can shoot it. Yeah, I can't see it right now.
I hear it. See it.
It's right above
Locking.
me.
Over now.
Locking. Missile.
Fire.
Fire.
Holy crap, good shot.
Chopper dead, chopper dead.
Good shot, good shot.
Man, that was really cool of you to do that. Well, our leader was AFK, Demi. That was really cool. Thank you.
I was here.
I
tried to shoot the thing.
You said you were refilling your water bottle and you never said anything else. What?
Yeah, okay, understandable. Okay, everyone set up. We're going to move soon.
So is anybody driving the Jeep or?
Jeeps. Oh, it's still operational?
Apparently. Another helicopter!
Second helicopter!
Hit
Guns
the trees,
up.
hit the trees.
I got it. I still got my Estrella.
Where's the chopper coming?
Shut the fuck up and tell me what bearing it's coming from.
220.
Southwest.
191.
191. 991. Over the trees. Engage.
We missed.
This fucking gun's broken.
Good shot.
Good hit with the oil cannon.
Horizon Island 14 are fucking hostile right now.
Sorry, I think you're going to think what.
These ones
Circling
got
back around. Steering
He's
295.
coming around. Hit.
It's it. Down.
Target down. Damn, son.
I love this thing. Can we keep it?
Gentlemen, I say we head out because we don't want them to bring their whole existence of choppers down to us.
Let's go.
I don't ever want to hear shit about taking Estrella again. Thank you.
I think we should bounce.
Well, you've done the top of this leader.
I would have missed with a sticker.
No, you wouldn't have.
I am the radio operator now.
I think there was
They're going to be better than every single way.
Wait, I can't use a gun from in here.
Ammo's so fast. I used like 200 rounds of boost.
I think it's time for us to head out.
Hang on, I'm hopping in.
Let's wait for Franny again.
This one does.
Okie dokie.
You got me, let's go.
Valkyrie, head with the others. First.
On the road.
Way ahead of you.
Generic, you're in commando, right?
We're gonna let what's his face.
I'm in the gunner. No.
You're in gunner?
Crap. Hey, wait!
Enemy left.
Also, this is kind of off kilter, so
Enemy Vic.
Hey, let's catch up, let's catch up.
I will be fighting I am fighting the steering.
Transport truck's getting shot at.
Get forward. Give him cover.
Find cover in the ditch.
We're fighting the steering right now.
Yeah.
Hey, they're on the outpost.
Stabilization, I can't see.
Alright, stop the car.
Okay, stop here. The big ass tower here. Big ass tower.
Left of the tower as well.
Hit the
No,
drop.
yeah, hit the tower. Good shots.
Oh, fuck.
Holy fuck.
I just saw it go down.
AA gun.
Move away from the Vicks.
Yep, AA gun.
Spread out, gentlemen. It's a man shredder.
Okay, we're gonna need to blockade from here through the forest to get that
Do
up.
not move up. Get it to death
Stay
lane.
around. Two Browning. Also one on the tower. There's one guy on the tower aiming at us. That
Okay,
looks
well,
like
I
he has a
think
launcher.
the bigger concern right now is an AA gun. More doing all of us. I'll let Jerry can kill it.
I see it.
Bring down the turret. Keep him on barrel.
It's 225 from me. Not sure if that's accurate for you.
Negative, can't hit it. One shot just instantly destroyed the turret.
L. Yeah, I guess we're gonna go bring down an AA gun on foot.
Medic!
I think we lost the baby.
It left like 2 minutes.
It did serve me well though.
I can fix it.
It lost all its wheels and no turret.
I can still fix it.
Oh my. Sam, I think we're best friends now.
You can't break those cuffs.
I can break these cuffs!
Trini, I'm here.
I can't.
Why are we talking about cuffs? We're in the middle of a combat operation. Please focus.
Fuck up.
Stick to the trees.
Clearly Moxie does not understand the power of
Please
Borat.
help!
Oh, who's dying?
That's
I
Trini,
spotted
I'm
their
shooting.
little installation firing.
Did you just hear somebody go, please help? Like they were dead?
That's Trini.
Oh, okay.
Heart rate. You have a heart rate? I'm just gonna drag you downhill.
Okay. Shot, whoever that was.
Firing it again, that was me.
Alright, moving in from the northwest.
If you can't trust a Romanian to understand humor, who can you trust?
Medic!
Preserve the wheels of all vehicles nearby. We need it for the APC.
Roger.
Possible status on the AA gun.
Good. Just get, if you get
AA gun
my,
destroyed.
Oh, good
if you get
hits,
my
good
turret
hits.
up, I can take out that HMG.
Generic
We
status.
have Horizon forces reinforcing us. I see an MTVR full of units approaching the AO.
I'm good. I'm just the protecting the APC right now.
Gentlemen, we have reinforces, friendly truck.
Okay. I'm gonna approach from the northwest.
Walker is not doing too well. Also, there is a
Contact,
at
contact.
the end of this compound. Watch out.
This is Trini, I'm back up.
So far
Machine
away,
gun
the doctor
fire
is on the
incoming
way.
from the forest.
Which forest?
The one to the southwest, the one we're getting shot at from.
Specify what forest.
Southwest, 240, you're shooting at it already. I think I see him. Nope, never mind.
I'm right up close.
Kiwi, I can spare a couple of hells onto your northeast.
Sam, did you get short there?
She'll be up in a bit. Getting blood.
Watch your fire, I'm right inside the outpost.
Shit.
And turning a pin down by enemy infantry.
Returning fire.
There's an uphill slope with exposed rock at its top. Enemy over there.
Retarget's down.
Thank you.
Go,
Don't
you're
quite
covered.
have the range on this. For that.
Not in a gunfight.
Sam, you good?
Fair enough.
Okay, I think you missed doing the RPG shot still.
How's everyone holding ammo-wise and medical-wise?
I'm doing alright and alright.
Oh, I got him.
Hey, I'm being
Doctor
stabbed
is
by.
approaching the
I was being
forward
stabbed by a guy
element.
with a freaking machete. Hold on. Oh, hold on. How am I? Oh my god, I'm alive. I have no bleeding injuries.
I was fucking not looking at the screen.
That's good.
Okay, I'm right up next to the outpost.
So no, there's a guy like right ahead of us. Right there.
Okay, everyone check your fire. We have friendlies next to the outpost.
Am I good to move up the truck yet?
Would call negative unless we took down those MGs. What's the status on the MG?
Hey, respawn Vic, get over here. Boyd wants to talk to you.
Training status.
Still alive.
Boyd wants to know if you can tow rope this thing. If not, that's fine.
You guys good?
Stay in your vehicle, Kiwi. Just I'll go ahead and hook it up.
Zeph, watch your fire. I'm behind this rock.
Zeph, there's a man down to our right. Go get him. Zeph.
Yes,
Zeph,
what?
Friendly down to our right. Go get him.
Alright, you're good to go, Kiwi.
Mad machete man. Mad machete man.
Where?
Yeah.
My position, last one. Has a blue t-shirt and a helmet.
One of those fuckers is GL.
Sorry, Freddy.
Ow. Well, I threw
Maybe
a smoke
he's a
grenade
friendly
back.
machete man.
Simplified up.
Zeph, are you dying?
Remember, Kinder, if you're not dying, you're not trying.
Hey, we're behind this fence here.
You good? You good?
Yeah, I think we're good.
Finish him off.
How do we go up the tower?
Like this.
We don't.
Okay, full security. Who needs medical?
Okay, Sam deployed is the laws of physics.
I got it, okay.
How?
There is still a staircase there.
Alright, APC's back up. God has graced us.
And what about the trucks?
What the fuck is that?
Oh shit!
What was that?
Trucks are still back here. I haven't been told to move them up.
Holy crap,
What was that?
What was that?
Weasel just got sniped. Drag him. This is not straight.
It's over.
No, he got sniped or something.
No. Oh, he fell.
So what was the boom?
Oh, I thought he got sniped.
What's the situation on our HVT trucks?
Once again, I am still sitting back here with them because I have not been told to move them up.
Excellent.
Whoops, exploded.
Good
This grenade launch for shooting at the respawn pit. Hold on.
Alright, I'm gonna give him blood. This is lying last.
Helicopter.
They're rushing.
You guys alright?
No!
I don't think they are right, because everyone should
We live.
Helicopter bearing.
Respawn Vic's gone.
Respawn Vic is here.
What did we lose then?
APC was ambushed, but it's still alive, but it's heavily damaged again.
Humvee's gone.
Where's anti-air?
We don't have any anti-air left.
Second, how were you ambushed? Infantry?
Yeah, like one guy.
It was a tow truck. We took it out though.
Did you see how they use your German engineering Valkyrie? You see how they use it?
I hate that the French are using my German engineering. This is an abomination.
We killed it, but it shot at the same time as us.
So who was it again that wanted to incur the wrath of God and use a certain Q word?
Hey,
Raz,
Yeah,
go put the trucks into position.
I'm in front of that.
Alright, I'll get one, but
Let's go then.
somebody should probably start heading back here for the other.
Just to make sure you have cover, I'm coming to bring the other truck.
Respawn Vic reinforcing the people up front.
Pizzles up.
Is there anywhere specific you want me to put them, game?
Yeah, maybe you should learn your OSHA certification then.
alright, thankfully all our tires work.
I marked the area with green. It's where they had one of their bunkers and the AA gun.
Roger.
Right, EPC has rendezvoused with Horizon.
Does anyone have any toolkits?
I think, Buster does.
No, okay.
I don't.
Oh.
Well, if we get an engineer, we have like 2 different kinds of toolkits in this inventory.
Praise be to God.
Who drew that green circle? What's in there?
Oh, I drew it so Raz goes there with one of the trucks.
Understood.
Johnny, if I go down and grab my RPG, okay? It's
Okay.
the Zivek. I don't know how to aim it now. I never use the vanilla CSET RPGs. They just suck ass.
Oh, just
Horizon unit
you've got the notches,
brings
like the
the
dots,
second
right?
truck
Just
over.
line it up
Yeah,
with the
but
range.
like the fucking RPG starts from like the top, and I'm used to it starting from like the middle.
Yeah,
Like the Maz.
listen to whatever it says on the thing. Start from the top.
Yeah.
Also, according to Diller, they will set up a new base.
Yeah, this seems pretty wrecked.
Everyone, we did well so far.
Did you see what I pinged you with in anime manga?
What?
Did you see what I pinged you with in the anime channel?
Yeah.
The scarecrow is so jammy. I love him.
That was a quick mission.
You have to remember, we took the safe route, which meant less enemies.
No, it's like that. Maybe there's more work for us.
We did that because we didn't want to lose the trucks and payment.
Come on, we're mercenaries, right?
We are, but we like killing, but we also like money.
Oh boy, here I go killing again.
For money.
Please, I'm Valkyrie. I am meant to be high.
High as in like cocaine, or high as in like terrain?
Yes.
Yes.
Very sure.
Which one of the drafts was the cokehead anyway?
Sterling and Heinrich, boys, where?
Everyone, clear comms. I'm talking to a dealer. We have a new objective probably.
What, is it on that island of Ipoda or something?
Here you go, Trenny.
North of the aerodrome?
Good for dealer to give game the briefing.
Okay.
Really no...
Hey, Buster, you up?
Yes, why?
We have many toolkits.
What do you need them for?
An APC.
Gentlemen, we're killing bastards for money. Let me pass it over to the dealer. Tell us the position, dealer. Okay. Dealer has for us the position of the fuckers who attacked the space. So, let's go kill them. I'm waiting on the coordinates and I'll pass them to you.
I love killing people.
Yeah, why is our long range frequency not the default?
I don't know.
Yeah, it's an issue. You have to change it manually.
What is it?
Everyone check ammunition before we go out.
How the fuck am I supposed to range this?
We should walk there.
APC will be on standby for when you need it, though.
Hey,
Royal
dealer, do we walk there?
position has been updated. It's an approximate position, but it is around that hill area.
Ain't that long of a walk.
It's not even a mile.
User left your channel.
That was some decent kind of you.
Yeah, what's the job?
So the job is, if you open your maps, everyone, we have an approximate position marked in green this time, a bigger green circle, where
we
the
have a
enemy
marker on the map.
is. Yeah, it's also the objective marker on the map. It's an approximate position of possible enemy camps, like the one that attacked this position. So, we go, we clean it, we make some extra money, and we show them not to fuck with us.
Alright, let's just go.
Okay.
Hey Kirby, what do you think about the Israeli-Palestinian conflict?
Or you guys want to walk 1.3 kilometers?
We're walking.
Okay. Everyone prepare health drinks.
My fat ass needs the exercise.
Check your max.
Oscar Mike.
there.
Yes, what is it?
What's the long range frequency? We have a long range in here.
Okay, long range frequency 81.
Okay.
So we're going to discharge from your brick and come to my son's flight.
Damn it.
I've got the same tools as you, motherfucker.
Generic can stay in the APC because we may require his assistance.
We then should start moving towards the compound, but I don't think he's gonna get there
Soon the
somehow,
trees
considering
will
it's a
not
top of a
favor
mountain.
you, as they did not favor me.
Alright, so we should leave this over here then, right?
Yeah.
They have a melee weapon now, which makes it faster. No. You press 0, almost 0. But you have to be
Training you now might be a good time to...
That'll be fine.
How you doing, man? Everything good?
Yeah.
Good. Do you like the operation so far?
We're approaching the objective AO. Everyone keep your eyes peeled.
Equipping weapons.
Shots.
Attack. No visual.
Fucking hell.
Flanking right.
Moxie got one.
Remember, don't clump up.
Restez vigilant.
Got him eventually.
He was in that tree. Try and wait for me, don't push by yourself.
Okay.
Shots left.
Mortar, move! Don't stay still, move, remove your mortar inbound. From the compound.
Moving, good shot.
Actually, you're flying to the left towards me.
Acknowledged. On top of a big rock.
Yeah, I'm climbing Big Rock to see what's happening.
Moxie's hit.
I shot the guy who got Mossy.
Roger that. Reviving medical.
Panic, gonna finish him off.
He's up. Moxie's up.
What's he even at?
Sitao heading Moxie's way.
Moxie's up.
Yeah, I think it's a really good idea I didn't use the APC here.
Yeah, it's not from them. There's a mine. I like that this going off.
Where is it?
Direct in front of me. Over there.
Can you shoot it?
No.
Sector are scaling the rock now.
Hold on then.
Alright, you go first.
Okay. It's a F-14 bouncing buddy. There are several.
Someone's down, I think.
Sector's down.
Bucket.
I'm dragging Zeph down the rock.
Enemies on top of the mountain.
Are they behind us? I can't tell.
Don't know where he is at. He's kind of off. Up the mountain we go. Uphill battle time.
Holy fuck.
Oh my god.
Found a camp right here. Northwest side. Oh fuck. Frag out. Wounded.
Okay, Zeph should be up soon. I'm pushing ahead up top of the rock.
Still enemy stragglers on top.
Oh, there's an ATV here.
Not good.
Okay. Just check on you now.
Oh, cover. I'm hit.
Yeah, behind you. There's a person.
Ow.
I don't know if it's generic. Are you seeing like
I shot it.
what's going on around you?
Sam, I'm sorry, Sam.
Yeah, that's a
Valkyrie is down, attending.
and I do not have. Damn it. Oh well. You know, I never go medic anymore, and I always still go anyway.
Ow!
Watch out.
I got shot in the head.
Who threw all the smoke? It's so fucking annoying.
As you're bandaging an enemy, are you?
Please! Raz, you're bandaging an enemy.
This is an enemy?
Who keeps throwing shit?
It'd be really funny.
One more.
Yeah, it was.
I thought this was Trenny.
Check on him, maybe he can
No,
beat-
this is Trenny.
Ah, I'm awake.
Look, they're both covered in red at this point. You gotta forgive me.
What do you have, flamethrower? Flamethrower!
Shoot it.
I know where it is. I don't know, not know where it is. I hear it.
Alrighty.
He's at me! Help!
Northwest, northwest.
He's in a yellow suit behind that rock.
Keep your distance.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see the fire.
Frag out! Get away from him.
Raz, keep back, keep back.
Moxie, we're behind you.
They get him?
Probably not. Other side,
Oh, you will
northeast.
not be generic.
Oh no, oh no, 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 no.
Get him, Sam.
Fucking Wooly Pete got him.
I think he's burning up.
That sounds pretty.
Yeah,
away from him, he's gonna explode.
I think we lost Moxie.
Moxie stats report.
He's dead.
Yeah, Mox is gone.
Foxy! Foxy, no, you poor bastard!
You get the fuck out. There you are. Alright, welcome back, generic.
I got up the rock and all of a sudden.
Dealer, this is Royal. Over.
I got Moxie's dog tag.
Go ahead, Royal. This is Dealer.
We found a camp on top of a mountain with a mortar overlooking the position that we were in. You know, the camp, the military base. So we cleared it. There was a flamethrower guy. That's all. Now it looks clear. Do you think there is any other point? Over.
Up to them left.
Okay, good. Can we get an evac out of here? Maybe like something to pick us up. Maybe meet us on the road, so we can leave.
Still injured.
I will come pick you up myself. Actually, I'll be there in a few minutes.
So do we wait here on the road over or wait on the peak?
Hi, Raz.
It's just pretty big fucking helicopter, so find an open space.
It's opened enough up here.
Okay, everyone, Demi's picking us up with a big ass chopper.
What do you mean I haven't seen anything? New guy box is gone. Yeah.
Someone's in pain down here.
New guy.
I don't know. I don't know.
I
where
found
he's been.
Schizo.
I've been here.
Let's get that gun out of our face, boys.
Schizo died.
Simmer down, simmer down.
Does this count as a gun?
That does count as a gun, in fact.
Oh,
Where did Skitcho fall?
He's dead.
Oh, we used the magazine. You put it in the secondary slot. Fuck.
What, they destroyed that so, you know, we're leaving. We don't want them to recapture the point and use a mortar against us. Yeah. Yeah, you can unpack it, but if you rebuild, it's still gonna be broken.
I want to
Gunshots, west.
I mean, yeah, you were good. You're in pain.
Reinforcements.
Yeah, I can give you some morphine. Like, be careful, generic. Last time you ran into a fight like that, you fucking died.
Gentlemen, we have the high ground. No need to get too low.
Frag out. Ooh, that was a bad nade. That bounced off a branch.
You know, I need to go.
Oh, you have to leave, Void?
No, I just need to go grab something.
Did I blow up the ATV by accident?
I think.
Anyone injured?
Amazing.
Hey, Sam, get out of my way. If accidentally hit you with a hammer. Because I'm the medical, and I have my hammer out. Sure, fine.
I think that was all of them.
It was like one guy.
Now?
There's more camps down the hill here.
I think that was, dead. We killed him.
Oh, thanks.
What's a painkiller even do?
Kill
Like
pain.
a helicopter.
That's probably our evac.
Yeah, it's our chopper.
Damn, he was not kidding about it being heavy.
Get out.
Down the helicopter.
How much?
Should you okay, man?
You dumbass! That wasn't
damn it,
a
Valkyrie.
smoke grenade!
Yeah, it was.
No, that was intentional.
That was intentional. Also, holy shit, that thing is a bomb.
He can pick us up here, right?
Yeah, it's a C9. What were you expecting?
You want to come down the mountain?
No, don't let him do that. Just land on the side. It'll be cool. Do like a hovering pickup.
Do the Call of Duty, we can go and just jump off and do it.
Exactly what Generic said. Bring the ramp over to us. It'll be cool.
Open the ramp and face towards us.
It's your thing, not mine.
Damn it!
This has been an astounding success, Robin.
Debbie, you're gonna kill us. Fly forward. No.
Hey, Bob. So Bob, who on the station? Are you recorded? No.
Did someone fucking jump off?
They're changing seats. It looks like they're jumping out.
We did it!
There doesn't much for us to be. Typical boys,
Okay, there we go. Now, well, no.
User left your channel.